All right. So you are tired all the time? Do you suffer from headaches, skin rashes, bloating, or other annoying symptoms that never seem to go away? Well, my friend, you could be hosting a fungal party in your gut without even knowing it. Stay tuned to learn the symptoms, causes, and natural solutions to knock out the stealthy Candida fungus for good. As you know, Candida is a type of yeast that naturally lives in our bodies, mostly in the digestive tract. The problem arises when it grows out of control due to things like antibiotic use, a bad diet, and spreads to other parts of the body, provoking all kinds of pesky symptoms. Common symptoms of Candida overgrowth include chronic fatigue, headaches and migraines, skin irritation and rashes like eczema, digestive issues like bloating, constipation and diarrhea, vaginal yeast infections, sinus congestion, brain fog and inability to focus, sugar and carb cravings, mood changes like anxiety or depression, oral thrush, and others. Do any of them sound familiar? Candida overgrowth has also been linked to autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis. This is because when Candida penetrates the gut lining, it can trigger inflammation and autoimmune reactions. So what causes Candida to grow out of control in the first place? The main culprit is antibiotics, which wipe out the good gut bacteria that keep Candida in check. Other contributing factors are high sugar intake, refined carbs, stress, and anything that disrupts the body's pH balance. By the way, before I give you the solution, don't forget to subscribe for more health content. So the key is to create an anti-Candida environment in your gut. One of the most powerful tools is oregano oil. Yes, oregano oil contains strong antifungal compounds called phenols, including one named carvacrol. According to research, carvacrol can break through the tough cell wall of Candida and help stop it from replicating. It essentially pierces holes in the Candida. Pretty impressive for a natural plant extract. Oregano oil can be taken in capsule form for better absorption. You can also dilute a few drops in water or juice and drink it. There are emulsified products where the oil molecules are broken into smaller parts to mix better with water and be absorbed. If you want, in the description of the video, I leave you 2 excellent natural recommendations. Some other evidence-based solutions for treating Candida overgrowth include: follow a low-carb, anti-inflammatory diet like the ketogenic or paleo diet. This starves Candida by removing its main food source, sugar. Take other antifungal supplements like garlic, caprylic acid, and grapefruit seed extract. These provide a broader anti-Candida attack. Load up on probiotics to restore healthy gut flora. Look for broad-spectrum probiotic formulas. Avoid refined carbs and sugars which feed Candida growth. Limit even healthy carbs like fruit. Reduce stress through yoga, meditation, sleep, and whatever else works for you. High cortisol feeds Candida. Stay hydrated to flush out toxins and support detox pathways like the liver and kidneys. And now you have to remember that Candida is neither cured nor completely eliminated. It is only reduced to its normal amount. By combining dietary changes, targeted supplements like oregano oil, and lifestyle tweaks, you can get Candida overgrowth under control and finally feel like yourself again. Consult a functional medicine practitioner for a custom recovery plan. Take back your health using these proven natural strategies and tips. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more healthy tips.